Hey everyone, it's Chris from Smithy Fitness. So I'm here in my den where I've got rings hanging, and I am going to do my first muscle up, hopefully, my first muscle up attempt of 2025. Now, I first learned muscle ups when I was 47 and I was doing CrossFit, and CrossFit would, have a workout of the day, and quite often it had muscle ups in it, and I couldn't do them. I had no clue how to do them. And so I went to a gymnastics class for adults at a local gymnastics place, and they shoved us in a Friday night from 7 till 9 p.m. And when they say adults, everybody else there was 25 or 22 to 30 maybe, so I was quite old for it. But I really wanted to learn the muscle up. And a muscle up is so much more than a pull-up and a dip, but that's where it starts. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to warm up. I'm going to start with 5 pull-ups. And the thing with the muscle up is you want to do your highest pull-up and your deepest dip. So I'm going to do these pull-ups fairly explosively and bring myself up high, because that's what you need for a muscle up. Okay. The second part of the warm-up is I'm going to do 5 dips. And as I mentioned, we need to do very deep dips. So you might see people at the gym sort of doing that or that, but we need to go way down and then up, way down, up. Because when you're doing the muscle up and you transition, that dip you need to be flexible at the bottom of the dip to be able to do the transition. Okay, there's really 2 tricky parts of the muscle up, assuming you've got pull-ups and dips. And there's the grip and the transition. Now on the grip, so yeah, if you'll come in closer. So normal pull-up, you're gonna hold the rings like that. But with a muscle up, we need to do what they call the false grip. So which is where you're here, because when it's time to do that transition, if you've got the rings in your fingers like a normal pull-up, there's no way you can do a dip. So we really need to go from a pull-up to a dip, but we need to do the pull-up with a dip grip, if you understand what I mean. So it's here, and what I'm going to do right now is just as part of my warm-up, I'm going to do a pull-up with my false grip. Yeah, so this is the hardest part. This is, if I fail, it's because of this grip. All right, that's pretty good. And what I'll do is I'll do one more. Okay, that's not bad. All right, it's showtime. It's time to do the muscle up itself. Now I'm going to use chalk. I've already chalked up pretty good. It gives you a much better grip. And all gymnasts, when you watch on the Olympics, they all use chalk. So the last part of the muscle up I haven't explained is the transition. So I'm going to do the pull up with my false grip, and as the bar gets to here, or as the rings get to here, I'm going to transition as quickly as I can. So it's here, and then the dip. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get the show on the road. I'm going to get my music going, because we need music. Chalk, music, focus. Ha! Oh, baby. That's one. I'll do another. Okay. Still got it. Senior citizen. Official. That's fun. That's the first muscle up of 2025. I think that's 8 years in a row. I've done them on my birthday or thereabouts. And still got it. Hopefully I still got it in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.